Alrighty, so today we are going through the program. It's actually tomorrow's program, but you can see by starting off, you can look at the session. We're just going to move it to tomorrow. We then start going through and marking off what it is we're feeling. So this is actually for me to see. I can gauge this, and obviously you just rate it, you just tap, and it goes through. Starting off, we have our prep work. So you can see there is a circuit there. If you hit those three little blue dots, it will also take you to the exercises if you need to know what they are. Once you're done, simply hit marked as complete. And then so we have our cable app pull through. It is our prep work. You can obviously go down to the reps and change them and also add in your own weight. So you simply just by tapping on that, you can change your reps if you need to. You can also hit the kilos there, add in what it is because all cable machines are technically different. So moving on, we then start our main part of the exercise. You can see we've got our dumbbell incline bench. Again, you can add in your reps and weight if it does change. You can also see there the last time you did it. So what you got last time you did that, has also a working history. From there, we can just scroll down. You can see that's our superset, the RDL with dumbbell. We then move across and we just keep going across the entire workout. You can see that is our history just there. So going through our full working history, if you want to see it, keep going across all the way until you finish the workout, hitting marked as complete. Obviously rate your intensity, leave any notes that you need to for myself to see.